guy here playing guitars and singing. Cookies for Dutch people, they are, I think.
Like the cigarette, like outside.
I'll probably be
Walking behind me, not a fits to come. Yeah, Nieuwendijk. I said Nieuwendijk. It wasn't true. Nieuwendijk. Yeah, Nieuwendijk. Here is end of Nieuwendijk. Maybe you can say also start of Nieuwendijk. Nieuwendijk is a very well-known shopping street that starts from Dam Square to here. So here is end of Nieuwendijk. It's also very well-known shopping street. There are a lot of restaurants, bars, and because it starts is at Dam Square. That's why it's also very well-known street here. And yeah, you can see everything. I'm going to just keep a little bit silent for you to just watch the vibes, atmosphere, and yeah, we are in Nieuwendijk. Nieuwendijk Street.
Like the cigarette, like outside.
Han tyckte du skulle gå ner här.
We are working at Nieuwendijk. Yeah, I wanted actually to translate it to English. Nieuwendijk. Dijk is a structure that they make against storm, like water storm. Not to, if water is coming up, not to come inside your place, your home or whatever. It means dijk. And Nieuwen is new, so it means like this is structure new. This is structure that you make not to let water to come to your place or your to just kind of make a shelter. And shelter is not a good word. And yeah, Nieuwendijk. But why it is called Nieuwendijk, I have no idea. Again, I will keep quiet for you just to watch. From this street, if you walk to the left here, you'll go to Rembrandt. Yeah, here is to Rembrandt. If you, yeah, I'm going to show you here. Yeah, kind of highlight.
I'll probably take that.
We are at Nieuwendijk.
Mama.
It's a very famous shopping street. Yeah, everything, you can find everything here. But yeah, famous shopping.
基本都96、97年了。
पार्किंग आ जाना
Als jullie... Kijk, ik weet dat jullie maten was doen.
Hadden we net
It's very good weather, and yeah, you can see a lot of people just, I think, came out for walking, just take a walk, not ready to buy something. Yeah, here is also beautiful passage, I would say, something like this. I will just walk through it, show you. I see there's a guy here playing guitars and singing. Yeah, I don't know what to think about. Yes, here we are at Nieuwendijk. It's a very busy day, very busy Saturday. Nice weather, spring weather, and Nieuwendijk.
En bij de Primark.
Dat is die beperkte weg.
These waffles are very special, yeah, kind of cookies for Dutch people. They are, I think, yeah, they like them very much, but they are not Dutch. I think they are French. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, they also make them here. You can see them here, and yeah, it's a special one. I don't like it because it's very sweet, but yeah, if you are here, you can try it, and you like sweet taste, of course. You can try it.
He went to go.
You know, Dutch people in general, I will tell you first the conclusion and then I will explain it. Dutch people don't follow mode that much, you know. If you are in Italy or France, you can see a lot of people going with fashion and going with daily mode and stuff like this. But Dutch people and of course Belgian people, they don't care that much about mode. Yeah, I'm not talking about all people, but in general, in most of the people, they don't care that much about mode. They like to be just comfortable, and if it's really, you have to be something that is like very fashion and very high style, they really don't follow it that much. So that's why you cannot see that many. You can see, but not that many from these shops, fashion shops, and shops that are with updated with daily mode. Which is interesting, which is nice. I like it, and yeah, we are at the moment at Amsterdam Street. Yeah, you know, at Amsterdam Street doesn't matter. When you are here, always you can find good vibes, like just nice people. People are enjoying, and also some people who are saying something. Let's see.